everybody. I'm Bo, and I'm going to tell you a bit about Cat Reman camshaft kits. If you experience power loss, a cylinder misfire, find metallic particles in fluids, or hear tapping in your engine, it might be time for a new camshaft. But since the surrounding parts can wear together, we offer the convenience of Cat Reman camshaft kits for several engine models. Each kit includes a camshaft and fully assembled rocker arms, remanufactured to meet the latest Caterpillar performance specs. That's right, they perform like new. Plus, if you return your core, these kits are available for a fraction of the cost of new. And each kit is backed by a same-as-new 12-month Caterpillar limited warranty. Want to know more? Talk to your local authorized Cat dealer and visit cat.com/Reman for the latest details about Cat Reman parts.